Empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water.
Hello everyone, and here I'm back doing the EURUSD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. First of all, we are having a high impact news at the night in India. That is at 9:50 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So be cautious at this timing. Now let's move to the charts. So this is the monthly chart, and we had already discussed that the price reacted from this FVG and moved into the downward side. And right now, we are at this flip zone of the monthly levels. So I'm anticipating that most likely the price will move a little upside, and then we can see a possible uh, bearish signal. Or yeah, that'll be fine. Let's move to the weeklies now. As we move into the weeklies, everything is choppy, and we are within a candle's range. It's quite hard for the price to get a close above this level and below this level. So nothing is much clear. Let's move to the dailies. As we move into the dailies, what we see is that the price reacted from this FVG zone, moved into the downward side. We broke the order flow of this area, and right now, what is happening is we are having this BPR of the higher level, that is daily, and the price is reacting from this particular level. These things aren't making much sense here, so I'll be just turning the visibility off for the dailies. So this is how it is right now. Let's move to the 4 hours to see what is happening inside in detail. So as I had anticipated before in the on the previous day that this will be our area of reaction, though I was anticipating that we can tap the 50% above 50% of this level, but the price was weak enough to go lower. Right now what is happening is that the price broke below this level, and we are in a bearish phase. So the price already tapped this level of this flip zone. So I'm not anticipating that we are going to go much higher than this candle's wick. So this is my invalidation zone for now. And if we fail to respect this invalidation zone, more likely this will all turn into liquidity and the price will come up till this level. So let's move to the 2 hours to see what do we have in there. As we move into the 2 hours, the situation is quite similar. The price is tapping up and we are within a range right now. Let's move to the 1 hour. As we move into the 1 hour, we see that the FVG was already tapped and the price moved into the downward side. We took liquidity and we are moving higher. Though the price is now moving up without coming back to retrace within this FVG zone, which gives a relatively stronger bias towards the upside direction. Let's move to the 15 minutes directly. As we move into the 15 minutes, what we see is that the price reacted from this level. So we see some kind of a bullish zone going out. So right now we are having this resistance zone and this invalidation zone safe. So I'm still into the bearish side, and I'll be waiting for the price to confirm a bearish bias, and then I'll be taking trade till this higher time frame BPR level, that is daily levels. So for today's bias, I'm anticipating that most likely it's already 9:36 here. London session will start from 11:30. So I want the price to accumulate over here, and then we are going to take some kind of liquidity, or even if the liquidity is not taken, I want the price to move into the downward side. We take this low and we continue the journey into the downward side. So this is what my today's bias is. So what are your bias and how are you seeing the market? Do write me into the comments, and yeah, I keep on waiting for your comments and your reviews regarding the video. So don't forget to write. It feels that I'm communicating with you people. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep trading.